Sending bigger files on Discord is a pretty simple thing to do, and I will show you how you guys can do it. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. If you're new to the channel, like, subscribe, and share. So what you have to do is to go to the Discord, and here you guys can see that if I go to the upload file option and try to upload a file, it will say that the file exceeds the size limit. The maximum size file size is 10 MB. So I'm gonna tell you a hack about it. So all you have to do is to get a Google account and a Drive. So make sure you go to the Google Drive and create a folder in it and go to the file that you want to upload. For example, I want to upload this file, but this file is not in the RAR format. So I'm going to go ahead and convert it. So I can add this file to Archive, and here you guys can see that I can convert this into setup.rr file, and that way the Google Drive supports the RAR file format, and that way I can upload the file over here. And once the file has been uploaded, simply go to the file that you want to share and go to the share copy link option and go back to the Discord and send the link that you want to share. That way you can share as big file as you want, and the person will easily be able to access. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.